Hi, it's Steven again. This is my locomotives part 2. This here is my GP15 Mac locomotive. See, this is a cab, and the interior is just not well done, although there is a seat in there. Long studs. Look at that. Nice. Next up we have this little car. It's not complete. And then this is my GP9 Lego. It's not very well done. See, it's not good. This is the NRE genset switcher that several roads have. This right here is supposed to be the 6-coupled switcher, just poorly done. This is the F40PH road switcher. Amtrak and other roads have used it. Not all these have very detailed work. And this is supposed to be the F59PHI Amtrak California designed locomotive. Not very well. And this is my General Electric 45-ton switcher. I think that's about it. I'm not sure I can find anything else. But there's my Lego set.